Good morning, everybody. So today we're going to discuss on how to run a cron job in a railway app. So railway app is a platform as a service, and you can deploy your application uh, in this in their server. So if you want to know more about what a platform as a service is, I will put a description in my link, and you can have more idea on that one. So what is a cron job? So the definition of cron job is a cron job is a Linux command used for scheduling tasks to be executed sometime in the future. Example, take a database backup at midnight. So think of a situation where you want to take a database backup at 2 a.m. in the morning. So you do not want to wake up every day 2 a.m. just for the purpose of taking the backup. So what you want to do is you want to set up a cron job and write a script which does that for you. Another example could be sending bulk emails at 7 a.m. in the morning. So what the cron format is. So this is the cron format where the first part is the time where you want to schedule, and the second part of the format is what script you want to run. So this one is changing the directory to lamadly and running the shell script to take the database backup every day at midnight. So few terminal commands. Cron tab-L for listing the cron tabs. Cron tab-E is for editing your cron tab. And if you don't know about crontab.guru, then it's worth checking out this link in your browser. So it looks something like this. So the first part is the minute. It will tell you like what all of these are. So this is for the hour, day, month, and day. So all star means every minute. So if you want to run a command at midnight, so what you do is you add 00. So at 12 a.m. in the morning every day, your script will execute. So if you want to run on the first, let's say 15th of every month at 12 a.m., so this is how you set up. So this is a really helpful tool for you to set up cron. So you probably would already be knowing about cron jobs. Uh, that is why you are here. But the reason why I'm making this blog or making this video tutorial is because I was deploying an application in Railway app, and I soon figured out that running a cron in the same service was kind of tricky because Railway app they recommend deploying your application as a service, and each service runs only one command. So, however, I'll show you both the ways, running it in a different service and running in the same service. So firstly, you go to the root directory and install two node packages, uh, node cron and shell.js. So node cron is a package, is a node package, and then what it does is it helps you write the schedule and run the command that you want to run. And shell.js is to run the CLI command. As an example, you see here. So what you can do is you can create a file in the root directory called cron.ts. So TypeScript. So Node is capable of running your JavaScript command in the server side as well. And you just require node cron, require shell.js, and cron.schedule. So the first one is the format, and the second one is the function that you want to run. So this function runs every minute. I'm just console logging it, running crons, so that you can see it in the log if the crons are running successfully or not. And the second one is a shell.exe. So it's running a shell command, php artisan schedule run. So this is a specific example which is related to Laravel. So if you want to run Laravel task scheduling, then you need to add this to your cron. So this is one way of doing it. Uh, I have tried installing the cron service in my container that Railway provides, but it wasn't working for some reason, and I couldn't find much tutorial in the internet. So I thought of like coming up with this video tutorial, and I think it might help you. So how do you run a cron in a separate service? Now that you have a file which actually runs every minute, so what you do is log into your railway app and go to settings, and in deploy, just type in the command node slash cron ts. So this will be running your cron job every minute, like we have set up previously. So I had a requirement where I wanted to run the cron in the same service as that of my Laravel app, but wasn't able to do that. Railway does have documentation on how to run a cron job, but it was for running the cron job in a different service. So this is how I have done it. So when you deploy your application, you can go to the logs and then go to the build logs. And at the top of the build log, you'll see a build plan. What happens in setup, what happens in install, build, release, and start. So start command runs once the deployment happens. So this is like the entry point, and you can see here it's like echoing server starting at port, whatever port you have defined, and it's running the nginx server and PHP SPM. So in order to run the cron, we just need to add that node command along with the start command. So the way you do it is you copy that start command and then just paste it uh, in the deploy section under start command, and just before that add this line node slash cron.ts because it's installed in your root directory, and add an ampersand sign. So what the ampersand sign does is it will run this job or it will run this code in the background. So once you do this, your cron job will start running every minute, and you can also see the logs in the deploy logs. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Uh, please like and subscribe. Thank you.